Welcome to Learn English Online. I'm Luna.
And I'm Liam. We're your hosts.
Hello, everyone. Today, we have a very helpful lesson for you. We are learning English phrases for when you go to the pharmacy.
Yes, Luna. These are important words, really useful.
They are.
You can use them every day. We will practice together.
That's right, Liam. The pharmacy. It's a place you visit often, so knowing these words is very, very important.
Yes. And we will make it easy for you. We promise.
We will.
We will speak slowly. We will repeat. You can learn with us.
Okay, sounds good. Let's start, Liam. We will do a small role play first.
Okay.
I will be the pharmacist, so I work at the pharmacy.
And I will be the customer, Luna. I need medicine. I will go to your pharmacy.
Okay. Are you ready, Liam?
Yes, Luna. I am ready.
All right. Here we go, then.
Yeah.
I am waiting at the pharmacy, and the customer comes in.
Hello.
Hello. How can I help you, Liam?
I need medicine.
You need medicine, Liam. Okay. What kind of medicine do you need?
For a cold, please? I have a cold.
For a cold? Okay. I have good medicine for a cold. This one is good for you.
How much is it, Luna?
This medicine is $10.
Okay. Thank you, Luna.
You're welcome, Liam. Goodbye.
Bye.
Good job, Liam. That was a simple visit to the pharmacy. You did very well.
Thank you, Luna. It was easy, yes. And I got my medicine for my cold.
Great. Now it is your turn, our listener. We will practice these phrases together.
Yes. Listen carefully. Then please repeat after us. This is good practice.
It is.
You can say the words with us.
Okay. Are you ready? Let's start with the first phrase. When you go into the pharmacy, what do you say? You say, hello.
Hello.
Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Good. Try it again. Say hello.
Hello.
Perfect. You can say hello when you enter the pharmacy. It's polite, right, Liam?
Yes, Luna. Hello is a good start. It's very good. Say it clearly. Let's try it one more time. Hello.
Wonderful. Now you know how to greet someone at the pharmacy. Let's say it 2 more times, just to be sure. Repeat. Hello.
Hello.
And again, hello. Very good. You are learning quickly. Okay. The next phrase is, I need medicine. This is what you say when you want to buy medicine.
I need medicine.
Repeat after me. I need medicine.
I need medicine.
Good. Can you say it again? I need medicine.
I need medicine.
Excellent. You are doing great. This phrase tells the pharmacist what you want. It's very clear. Right, Liam?
Yes, Luna. It is direct and clear. I need medicine. Let's say it again for practice. I need medicine.
Fantastic. Now let's say it 3 more times. Try to say it clearly. Repeat. I need medicine.
I need medicine.
And again, I need medicine.
I need medicine.
1 more time. I need medicine.
I need medicine.
Very good. So you tell the pharmacist your need. Simple. Now, when the pharmacist asks what kind of medicine, you can say, for a cold. This is a common problem. Many people get a cold.
For a cold.
Repeat after me. For a cold.
For a cold.
Good. Try it 1 more time. For a cold.
For a cold.
Perfect. This tells the pharmacist your problem. It helps them find the right medicine. Isn't that right, Liam?
Yes, Luna. For a cold is a very, very common reason to visit the pharmacy. Let's say it again. For a cold.
Great job. Okay, let's say it 2 more times. Listen and say it. Repeat. For a cold.
For a cold.
And again, for a cold.
For a cold.
You are doing so well. Knowing this phrase is very helpful. Next, you want to know the price. So you ask, how much is it? This phrase is useful for, well, everything you buy.
How much is it?
Repeat after me. How much is it?
How much is it?
Good. Can you say it again? How much is it?
How much is it?
Excellent. This phrase helps you understand the cost. Very important. What do you think, Liam?
Oh, very important, Luna. Always ask, how much is it?
Yeah.
When you buy something. Yes. Let's practice it again. How much is it?
You've got it. Okay, let's say it 3 more times. Try to say the whole phrase now. Repeat. How much is it?
How much is it?
And again, how much is it?
How much is it?
1 more time.
How much is it?
How much is it? Fantastic. Now you know how to ask about the price? Good. After you get your medicine, what do you say? Well, you say, thank you. This is very polite.
Thank you.
Repeat after me, thank you.
Thank you.
Good. Say it 1 more time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you shows you are grateful. It's a very good phrase to use. Right, Liam?
Absolutely, Luna. Thank you is always a good phrase to know.
Yeah.
Always. Let's practice it one last time. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let's practice this important phrase 2 more times. Just to be sure, repeat. Thank you.
Thank you.
And again, thank you.
Thank you.
Great. You are doing very well with your English, really. And finally, when you leave the pharmacy, you say bye. It's a short way to say goodbye. Very simple. Bye. Repeat after me. Bye.
Bye.
Good. Try it again. Just bye.
Bye.
Excellent. So simple, but very useful.
Yes, Luna. Bye is short and friendly. Let's practice it again. Bye.
Fantastic work. You have learned 6 important phrases for visiting the pharmacy. Let's say it 2 more times, very clearly. Repeat. Bye.
Bye again.
Bye.
Bye.
You are doing so great, our listener. Really good job. Okay, let's review them all very quickly, Liam, shall we? We will say each phrase one more time.
Good idea, Luna. Yes. We will say them slowly. Listen carefully.
First, hello.
Then, I need medicine.
Next, for a cold.
Then, how much is it?
After that, thank you.
And last,
Bye.
great job, everyone. You have learned these 6 important phrases for the pharmacy today. Well done.
Remember to practice these words. Maybe every day. Practice makes perfect.
It really does. You can listen to this lesson again and repeat with us. Soon, you will go to the pharmacy and speak English easily.
Yes. We are happy you are learning with us today. Keep learning English. Keep practicing.
Thanks for listening to Learn English Online. See you next time.